NCV asiphethe keeper madoda but keeper kunjani?
No yonke into emnandi mfethu bathi hashtag kumnandi ezweni. Yeah. Kumnandi nje.
Kumnandi ezweni. Igame yanamhlanje ibone kanjani?
No for me mfethu ezibhakaniya ibig keeper I'm very happy. You understand? Nga-understand ifootball mina mngani wami ukuthi awini yonke into awudliwa yonke into. Yes siye lapha yana siyofuna u3 point. You understand? But it happened ukuthi sibambe draw. I1 point bafethu masikhuluma ngolimi lokwa George. 1 point is better than nothing. Isilungu leso mfethu mawungafundanga ngwangifaka lapha. You understand? As for me mfethu si drawile. But kufanele ucheck mfethu ukuthi number 1 udrawe nani. Do you understand? Kube best drawe nama zebra. Yeah, ngangiyakhala ukuthi mfethu sidlale ngama point. You understand? Must draw ne team njenge Sundowns. Si drawe no Clever mfethu. Engicabanga ukuthi iyona esilwa nayo for le league. Abanye cha. Le league between ama team awu2. Yeah, unless abantu mabefuna ukuyixaka ngokukhalculate lokwenza abafuna ukuzenza omakushaqhiwe becabanga izinto ezingadingeki la. Le league iphakathi kwePirates neSundowns. So if usidrawe nama defending champion we league. Hayi mfethu and isidraw wesiphathi isidraw egroundini labo. You understand? Nabo bafila amapain mfethu njengamanje ukuthi i2 point bayilahle kanjani kwi home game yabo. You understand? And mawucheka kuma games amakhulu mfethu anjengale today. I-team efila kahle amapain angene deep angena amapain yilena ekoreqala. Ungizwa kahle. Makudlalwa ama-game aso mfethu ekoreqala isuke isijethi winile mfethu. Bese nina equalizer is like ukhipha iqatha lenyama emlonyeni bayiwe bese beligwinyile lo 3 point sawudonsa phakathi esiswini singabaphakani yathi nezimnyama ngekaneka amagebhula amapena afike kahle eqopqopini lapho ku57 fans FC ngizwa kahle amapena afike kahle bebengakacabanga ukuthi bangadrawa namhlanje bayitshela nje ukuthi league ngeyapho cha lena ke seyishintshile izinto kule league kule hayi mfethu ngiyakutshela mina
So let's ayithatha.
Lena mfethu sayithatha and ngicabanga masingaliphenya kahle iBhayibheli it is written. Iyathathwa lena mfethu kumnyama bovu iyathathwa le futhi akuzokuncengwana la uyabona iSundowns le season ayizuncengwa mfethu ayizuncengwa sidalo. Yoncenga umama wayo. Yeah yoncenga umama wayo ngiyahloniphisa ngeinkabi. Ngizwa kahle. Ayizuncengwa this time. Yeah na iyabona la season mfethu isiblack semile le ePitoli. You understand? Sithathe u3 point kuye because sifike sadliwa kwi-home game yayo safike sazoyishaya kuphi eOrlando okusho ukuthi la season sishare u6 point ithathe 3 sathatha 3 so this season uyabona izinto ishintshile kwi-ground labo sithathe u1 point obviously eOrlando sithathe u3 point okusho ukuthi kule season sino 4 point wethu nje kuma Sunflower.
Ngiyawezwa medlala nama Sunflower kodwa ngiyezwa nama Zebra nawo ngathi anenkulumo nje ebajabulisayo ngeresults namhlanje uthini ngabo
lo ngama Zebra lokho into zethu esiphiwe ichoice lethu mfethu esiliphiwe uNkulunkulu umdala emhle siphiwe nje chips mfethu into yethu yokudlala into yethu yokuhleka uwabona makuthiwa i-team makuthiwa traumatize ihamba ijabulale into engekho ngoba ukudliwa kwePirates nokudliwa kweSundowns namhlanje even le draw ayibasizi ngalutho next ifakora kusase early for bona ukuthi bengaminyela amanye ama team ukuthi abenzele umsebenzi kusase early into that is why ngithi laba na top 8 na this season ubhale phansi member yamabayi top 8 akusiyola mthuthu baba top 8 akusiyola mthuthu baba kuseye inkukhu akuna top 8 i-top 8 mfethu baba uyizwa ngephunga bayalwazi udaba namanje ukuthi isidrawile kubasiza ngani ukudraw kwethu ngoba izolo ngishilo before ngilale ngipostile lapho ukuthi sibaboleke unumber 3 ukubazwisa njengomakhelwane ngabatshela futhi mabephapha bayehla njoba ngikhuluma wehlile uzakewu usemva kwethu manje mayibuka thina ibhani ubheka phezulu we understand ama level baba and into esiyidlalelayo thina singamabhakaniya nabo bengama Zebra ayifani bona badlalela ungena top 8 you understand thina sidlalela ukuthatha icup yona le league le so ama level awafani but bona bathola ukuchwashanyana kwewin bezosibangela umsindo besenzele i-pollution engenamsebenzi uyangizwa bhakaniya lami kwathi uyahleka lama Zebra lawa umfethu ayike indaba yawo umfethu ayike indaba yayo nayizolo awile ngokuchwasha kusiyiwin leya sithi imenkulu engawina ngayo awuchwasha ngiyanitshela ama Zebra yimini enganisabi la emzansi nginisabi mina ama Zebra nginisabola mtutu iwin yenu yayizolo uchwasha kusiyiwin leyana engayijabulela yeah
niyezwa mabhakaniya ama levels popa
danko